Hey guys, I'm going to attempt to solve a Rubik's Cube in the fastest time that I can. So with a timer. So I started learning Rubik's Cubes about a month ago, and I was able to solve it without a tutorial in a short period of time. And I'm going to be using this timer on my iPad. That's going to time how long it takes me to do this Rubik's Cube. So to start the timer, I just put my 2 fingers on the yellow button.
Okay, listen. Now chill. Oh, you're done with the tutorial part of it. Now just focus and get ready. Ready?
Okay. So let's go.
You don't have to talk anymore. You just do your thing.
One minute, 10 seconds, point 09.
Dude, nice. How old are you?
9.
9. I've been peeling stickers off those things for 30 years, putting them where they're supposed to be.
And these ones, no stickers at all.
Yeah, they got wise to what I was doing. That's awesome, man. Hooray.
Ooh.